Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a Doodle Crate, and I'm excited to open this up and let my daughter do her next craft. So if you're new to my channel, I created this channel as a homeschooling resource to do unboxings like we're doing today, to give you organizational and curriculum ideas, and ways to invite Christ into your homeschool space. So if you're interested in those things, please hit that subscribe button, and let's open this crate. Okay, so this month's crate is hand-woven baskets. That sounds super fun. I think I would love this craft. Dye and weave fabric to create a set of beautiful baskets. So when we open it up, these look so cute, guys. I love doing crafts. So that's the little picture right here. Let me hold it up the right way so you can see. So those look really, really cute and fun. I'm really excited for her to do this. So these are our instructions. And so it looks like we're gonna dye the fabric and then we're gonna build a basket with it. So that's cool. That has kind of a two-part project. And then here's some more pictures at the back of what they'll hopefully look like when we're done. So we have our dye right here. So this is just the powder, and then you add some water to it. They've had these types of things before. And we have some paper clips, not paper clips, clothespins. These are not paper clips. We have some clothespins right here. And then this must be for sewing our baskets together. It's just one of those little plastic needles. And then we have one popsicle stick. That's all you get is one stick. And we have our fabric yarn or t-shirt yarn. That's what this is. There you go. I don't know if I've ever seen anything like this before. This kind of stuff isn't the normal crafts I do. So we have some cups right here. I think when you put, to dye this, you stick it in here. And we have some gloves, since dyeing our hands is no fun. Maybe you enjoy it. I don't know. And then we have, I don't know, these must be like forms for the baskets of how we're gonna make them, because there's a few different shapes right here. So we have all of these for probably showing us how to make our basket, and then our wax paper for our little drop cloth that we get to use. So I'm really excited for this. I want to do it. We'll let her do it, but maybe I'll try sometime another day. So I'm gonna let her get at it and we will let you know how it goes. Okay, so Alana finished doing the Doodle Crate, and I thought it was a really cool craft, didn't you? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. It was a lot of fun. I actually want to do this type of craft myself. I just thought it was really cool. So we're going to hold up the projects he made, and then I'll tell you a little bit about them and maybe some things that didn't work as well. So you're going to hold those ones up, and I'll hold this one. So here they are. They're all little types of baskets. I really like this yellow color. It's like this bright, but not like super pastel-y yellow. I like a deeper golden yellow. And then what one's your favorite? She wishes it was pink. Yeah. She was sad that it came out a little bit more purple than she wanted it to be pink. But, or it can be a hat, I guess. So this project took a couple days because the first day you have to dye all of the fabric, I guess is what it is. It's kind of like a t-shirt fabric. So you have to dye all of that the first day, and it has to dry overnight. So we did that, and that was pretty easy and pretty simple, and you wear gloves so that your hands aren't covered in dye. So that went pretty well. And then today she wrapped the baskets, and I think they turned out really well. The only thing that I noticed is I feel like their baskets right here look a lot like fuller. Okay, you can't see much of the form underneath, whereas ours, as you can see, there's a lot of the brown from the form sticking out. So I don't know if that's just, because they're professionals and they took the pictures and they made them look super nice, or if we could have done something better, because she really didn't have that much string, especially on this one and this one, to fill it in any more than it was. Like, we were at our limit with string on these, This one, since it was slightly smaller, she had a little bit more string to use, but I still feel like once you pulled it and tied the top so that it would stay, it pulls it and you can see all the little holes. So again, I don't know if there's a way to fix that or if it's just us or if it's the project, but I still think they look nice. Despite that, I just wish they looked a little bit fuller like the ones in the picture. And then something else, we didn't do this because it's on the page after it tells you to dye it, and we didn't know, so we didn't even try it, but it gives you how to make variegated yarn right here. So if you wanted to dye one side of your fabric one color, and then you could flip it over after that one sets for 20 minutes, and you could dye the other side, you could do that. So then you get, I think some of these are like that. Let me see, I think there's a picture back here. Yeah, so then you could kind of get this sort of effect because one side's one color and one side's the other color. So we didn't do anything like that, but that is an option. So what was your favorite part, Elena?
Dyeing them.
Dyeing them. You like dyeing them? Why did you like dyeing them so much?
Because I like to see what color they turned out as.
Oh, okay. So it was kind of an experiment. You knew sort of what color they were going to be, but once you put the thread in, whatever the stuff's called, this fabric, then you were actually able to see what color they were going to be. Okay, what was the hardest part or your least favorite part?
Getting the hole.
Getting the hole, so having to stitch it at the end. There's holes in the tops of these forms, and so you have to run the fabric back through so that it will stay in place. So that was a little bit hard. I helped her with most of them. She actually did this one all by herself, but the other two I helped her with, and then she kind of got the hang of it and was able to figure it out. But that was something that was a little bit hard and she needed a little more help. But these forms are really great. I feel like they helped with the weaving process and made it very simple, and we're just making hats out of them. So she's excited to be able to use these, and to put stuff in them and to have more stuff on her desk. Well, maybe we'll have to get rid of something. But we are excited to see what next month brings, because this one was just really a lot of fun. I thought it was a great idea and something different that we haven't seen before. And so if you enjoy seeing these videos, please give us a thumbs up, and we will see you next time.
Bye-bye.